Hi boys and girls! Today we are going to be starting a new unit on plants. This new lesson that I'm going to be introducing you to will discuss the concepts and key vocabulary terms that are very important to this unit. The first thing we're going to discuss is the difference between a living and a non-living thing. Things that can grow, move, breathe, and reproduce are known as living things. Living things use their senses and need food, air, and water to live. Humans, animals, and plants are all examples of living things. Non-living things are things that cannot grow, move, breathe, and reproduce. Non-living things would include rocks, water, or shoes. I have also included some pictures, as you can see here. Right here are different examples of living things, and over here are examples of non-living things. So now you might be asking, well, what are plants? Well, plants are things that are alive, that can grow and change. Plants and animals are living things. To find out if something is living, you can look over here and ask these questions. So the question you're going to ask is it alive? So you would ask, does it move on its own? Does it need water? Can it eat or make food? Does it breathe or need air? Does it reproduce or grow? Can it sense things? So these pictures show you how these different things, like the plants or humans, how we are living things, because we do move on our own, whether we're growing or running. We do need water. We can eat and make food. We breathe and need air. We reproduce and grow. And we also can sense things. Our next question is, what do plants need? Plants need 5 things to help them live and grow. These 5 things include water, sunlight, air, space, and soil. In this picture that I've included on the right side of the slide says the best times to water plants. Water early before the sun comes up so your plants will have the nutrients they need before the heat of the day takes over. It also says water early enough in the afternoon so that leaves have time to dry before nightfall. This prevents fungal disease from developing. In the slides that are coming up, we're also going to be learning about what each of these 5 things does to help the plants live and grow. The first thing we're going to talk about is water. Water is a liquid that plants and animals need to live. This could be in the form of rain or could come from a hose. The next thing is sunlight, which is a big ball of hot gas that shines light on the earth. Light from the sun, or sunlight, warms the land, water, and air. Plants need this to grow. Air is a gas that plants and animals need to live. You cannot see the air, but it is all around you. We, as humans, breathe in the oxygen known as air and release carbon dioxide back into the air, which the plants then need and use. The next thing that plants need to live and grow is known as space. Plants need plenty of room to grow so that they can receive ample airflow. The word ample means plenty. Here's the word ample. This space also allows plants to receive plenty of sunlight and keeps their roots from getting tangled underneath the ground. This word tangled right here means to get caught or interwoven between one another. The last thing we're going to learn about today is known as soil, and soil is sometimes called dirt, clay, or sand. Soil is a layer of earth made up of particles or small parts of rocks, minerals, and other nutrients. Nutrients were once living, decomposing material. The soil provides plants with more food or nutrients, which help the plants grow. So these are all the 5 very important things that plants need to live and grow. In the next lesson, we are going to be talking about the different parts of a plant. I'll see you all soon.